Hi, I'm Alexander. Today you joined with me for that time again, the colour of the month. And here it is. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Isn't that amazing? Yep, this is Snowy Peach and she is just wonderful. Why do I like this colour so much? Well, I like the fact it's a blonde. I like the fact it's warm. I love that peachy pinky shade. There is nothing but good things to say about this colour. Now, even when I get close up, you'd think from over here it's one length. When I get close up, I've got pale flamingos, I've got pastels, I've almost got yellowy tones, I've got golds, I've got a whole host of colours, an array of different shades mixed and weaved together to create Snowy Peach. This is an absolute masterpiece. Love it, love it, love it. Snowy Peach is in the Orchid Collection and it is just a stunning colour. What do you think? Be interested to hear your comments. But for me and everyone at René Paris, thanks for tuning in for Colour of the Month and we'll see you next time.